FreeCAD just hit version 1 after 20 years of development, and people are asking, can it really replace SolidWorks? Today we're putting them head to head to see if FreeCAD is finally good enough for serious work. If you're into 3D design or engineering, hit that subscribe button, let's dive in. Quick context. SolidWorks is the industry standard parametric modeling, assemblies, simulations, drawings. It's what most engineering firms use. FreeCAD 1 is open source, completely free, and just got a massive stability upgrade with a new solver and topology naming fix. Both do parametric CAD, but they're built very differently. Interface and learning curve. SolidWorks has a polished, intuitive interface most engineers can jump in and model within hours. FreeCAD's UI is modular with workbenches, which means more power but a steeper learning curve. Expect frustration early on, especially with the part design workflow. Parametric modeling. SolidWorks handles complex assemblies and sketch relations flawlessly. FreeCAD 1 finally fixed the topology naming problem. Models don't break when you edit early features anymore. That was a deal breaker before, now it's usable for real projects. Performance. SolidWorks is faster with large assemblies and complex simulations. FreeCAD struggles with heavy files, it'll lag on assemblies over 500 parts. But for small to medium projects, it's totally fine. Features. SolidWorks has professional-grade FEA, sheet metal tools, and surfacing. FreeCAD covers the basics, part design, assemblies, tech draw for 2D drawings, and even FEM analysis. It's not as refined, but it's functional. File compatibility. SolidWorks uses proprietary formats but exports STEP and IGES well. FreeCAD works natively with open formats and reads STEP files perfectly. If you're collaborating with SolidWorks users, expect some translation issues. Here's the reality. SolidWorks is still the better tool for professional engineering. It's faster, more reliable, and has deeper features. But FreeCAD 1 is now a legitimate alternative for hobbyists, small businesses, students, or anyone who can't justify $4,000 a year for SolidWorks. If you're doing basic to intermediate CAD and want full control without subscriptions, FreeCAD is finally ready. So, FreeCAD for freedom and cost savings, SolidWorks for professional polish. Links to both in the description. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest tech comparisons. See you in the next one!